Welcome to Manchester. Let's dive into this dynamic city's rich history and vibrant present.
Manchester is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. The Industrial Revolution roared to life here, transforming society. Iconic red brick factories now house museums, art spaces, and businesses. The world's first computer program ran here, showcasing Manchester's pioneering spirit. Mancunians are known for their warmth, humour, and resilience. Let's soak in the spirit of this extraordinary city.
Welcome to Manchester's coolest neighbourhood, the Northern Quarter. A vibrant tapestry of street art, vintage shops, and quirky cafes awaits. Towering red brick warehouses now house boutiques, art studios, and innovative restaurants. Let's dive into the heart of Manchester's bohemian soul. The Northern Quarter's street art scene is a visual feast. Every surface becomes a canvas for local and international artists. It's a living, breathing art gallery, constantly evolving. Grab your camera and prepare to be amazed by the artistic tapestry. Step into a world of artistic brilliance at Manchester Art Gallery. The gallery's collection spans centuries, from pre-Raphaelite masterpieces to contemporary installations. Admire the building itself, a masterpiece of Victorian design. Let's uncover the stories behind the brushstrokes.
Embark on a chronological journey through art history at Manchester Art Gallery. Begin with the pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood and their masterpieces. Encounter L.S. Lowry's iconic works capturing working-class life. Admire European masters like Monet and Van Gogh. Allow yourself to be moved by the stories whispered through the canvases. Manchester Art Gallery is a vibrant hub of creativity and engagement. Participate in exhibitions, workshops, and events designed to inspire. Join a guided tour for fascinating insights into the gallery's collection. Immerse yourself in its creative energy and be inspired.
Journey to Manchester's industrial heritage at the Science and Industry Museum. Housed in a former textile warehouse, it tells the story of the Industrial Revolution. Experience the sights and sounds of Manchester's industrial past. Get ready to step back in time and explore the ingenuity that shaped our world.
Explore Manchester's industrial and scientific achievements at the Science and Industry Museum. Begin with the birth of the railway age and the textile industry. Encounter the groundbreaking world of computing with the baby. Appreciate the ingenuity and creativity that drive progress. The Science and Industry Museum offers interactive displays and hands-on experiments. Explore the principles of light, sound, and electricity in the Experiment Gallery. Visit the Air and Space Hall to learn about aviation history. Engage all your senses and spark curiosity in this immersive learning experience. Football fever. Entering the Theatre of Dreams. Get ready to feel the electricity in the air as we arrive at Old Trafford, the hallowed turf of Manchester United, and a stadium that reverberates with footballing history. Even if you're not a die-hard fan, you can't help but be swept up in the palpable passion that envelops this iconic stadium. Known as the Theatre of Dreams, Old Trafford has witnessed legendary victories, heartbreaking defeats, and countless moments of footballing brilliance that have etched themselves into sporting history. As you approach the stadium, its imposing structure dominates the skyline, a testament to the enduring power of the beautiful game. It's a symbol of sporting excellence, a place where dreams are made and legends are born. Prepare to be captivated by the drama, the passion, and the sheer spectacle of football at its finest.
A Red Devils and Blue Moons. A tale of two cities. While Old Trafford is synonymous with Manchester United, it's important to remember that this city beats with the heart of two footballing giants. Just a stone's throw away from Old Trafford lies the Etihad Stadium, home to Manchester City, a club that has risen to prominence in recent years, adding a thrilling new chapter to Manchester's footballing story. The rivalry between Manchester United and Manchester City, often referred to as the Manchester Derby, is one of the fiercest and most passionate in world football. It's a clash of styles, philosophies, and local pride that divides households and ignites the city in a sea of red and blue. Whether you're a Red Devil or a Blue Moon, there's no denying the electrifying atmosphere that grips Manchester on Derby Day. While Old Trafford embodies the history and tradition of Manchester United, the Etihad Stadium represents the ambition and modernity of Manchester City. Both clubs have contributed to the city's rich footballing tapestry, attracting world-class talent and captivating fans worldwide. Take the time to explore both stadiums, immerse yourself in their unique atmospheres, and appreciate the contrasting stories they tell. The rivalry between Manchester United and Manchester City is more than just a game. It's a testament to the city's unwavering passion for football. Beyond the pitch, exploring the history and legacy. While the on-pitch action is undoubtedly the main draw, a visit to Old Trafford offers much more than just a football match. Take the time to delve into the stadium's rich history and heritage by embarking on a guided tour. You'll step behind the scenes, walk through the players' tunnel, and even get a glimpse of the hallowed turf from the dugout. The tour takes you through the museum, where you can immerse yourself in the club's illustrious past, marvel at a treasure trove of memorabilia, including historic shirts, trophies, and personal items belonging to Manchester United legends. Learn about the club's humble beginnings, its triumphs and tragedies, and the iconic figures who have shaped its destiny. A visit to Old Trafford is a journey through time, a celebration of footballing history, and an opportunity to connect with the heart and soul of one of the world's most iconic clubs. Whether you're a lifelong fan or a curious newcomer, you're sure to leave with a deeper appreciation for the legacy of Manchester United.
Media Metropolis, stepping into Media City UK. From the historic heart of Manchester, let's fast forward to the city's ultra-modern marvel, Media City UK. Prepare to be dazzled by this gleaming waterfront development, a testament to Manchester's transformation into a global media hub. Gone are the red brick factories and cotton mills. In their place rise sleek glass-fronted buildings, buzzing with the energy of creativity and innovation. As you step into Media City UK, you'll immediately sense a shift in atmosphere. This is a place where the future of media is being shaped, where ideas are born, and where technology and creativity collide. Home to the BBC, ITV, and a host of other media giants, Media City UK is a hive of activity, with camera crews, presenters, and media professionals constantly on the move. But Media City UK is more than just a collection of TV studios. It's a vibrant destination in its own right, with a plethora of attractions, dining options, and entertainment venues to explore. Take a stroll along the waterfront promenade, admire the stunning views across the Manchester Ship Canal, and soak up the energetic atmosphere of this dynamic district. Whether you're a media enthusiast, a foodie, or simply looking for a unique Manchester experience, Media City UK has something to offer everyone. So get ready to be inspired, entertained, and amazed by the sheer dynamism of this modern metropolis. Behind the screens, a glimpse into television magic. For a glimpse into the fascinating world of television production, be sure to visit the BBC at Media City UK. Here, you can take a behind-the-scenes tour of the BBC's state-of-the-art studios and see firsthand where some of your favourite television shows are filmed. Imagine yourself stepping onto the set of a soap opera, a news programme, or even a live sporting event. The BBC tour offers a fascinating insight into the various stages of television production, from script writing and set design to filming, editing, and broadcasting. You'll learn about the technical wizardry behind the scenes and gain a newfound appreciation for the teamwork and creativity involved in bringing television programs to life. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of a live recording in progress or spot a famous face or two. The BBC at Media City UK is a hive of activity, and you never know who you might bump into. Keep your eyes peeled for presenters, actors, and crew members going about their day. For a more interactive experience, head to the CBBC Tour, where younger visitors can explore the colourful world of children's television. Kids can have a go at presenting the weather, creating sound effects, or even starring in their own mini-show. It's a fun and educational experience that will leave them feeling like television stars. Waterfront Wonderland dining, shopping, and entertainment. After your media adventures, take some time to explore the vibrant waterfront promenade of Media City UK. This bustling hub is packed with restaurants, bars, and cafes, offering a diverse range of culinary delights to tantalise your taste buds. For a fine dining experience with stunning waterfront views, head to the Lowry Hotel's River Restaurant. Here you can indulge in a menu of modern British cuisine crafted from the finest local ingredients. If you're looking for a more casual bite, there are plenty of cafes and bistros offering everything from sandwiches and salads to pizzas and pasta dishes. Shopaholics won't be disappointed either. Media City UK is home to a variety of shops, from high street favourites to independent boutiques. Browse for the latest fashion trends, pick up some souvenirs, or simply enjoy a spot of window shopping. As the sun begins to set, Media City UK transforms into a vibrant entertainment hub. Catch a show at the Lowry, a world-class theatre and arts centre hosting everything from musicals and plays to dance performances and live music. For a more relaxed evening, head to one of the many bars or pubs, enjoy a drink with friends and soak up the lively atmosphere. Manchester memories until next time. And there we have it. A whirlwind tour of Manchester, a city that truly has it all. From the creative buzz of the Northern Quarter to the sporting passion of Old Trafford and the futuristic energy of Media City UK, Manchester has left an indelible mark on our hearts. We've journeyed through time, explored its industrial heritage, and experienced the warmth and humour of its people. Manchester is a city that embraces its past while looking towards the future, a place where innovation and tradition go hand in hand. Remember the awe-inspiring art at Manchester Art Gallery, the echoes of the Industrial Revolution at the Science and Industry Museum, and the spine-tingling roar of the crowd at Old Trafford. These are the experiences that make Manchester unique, that stay with you long after you've left. But most importantly, remember the spirit of Manchester, the resilience, the creativity, the warmth, and the humour that define this extraordinary city. So whether you're a first-time visitor or a returning friend, Manchester welcomes you with open arms. Come and experience its magic for yourself, explore its hidden gems, and create your own Manchester story. Until next time, farewell from this dynamic, inspiring, and utterly unforgettable city. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel adventures.